there's nothing cold.
Everyone knows the #1 rule in real estate: location, location, location. And this adorable home is located between the rec center, the hospital, and the college. Perfect for a first-time buyer or someone looking to downsize.
How rude, but I kinda like it anyways. I don't mind if this is gonna take a million days.
This home has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, tons of character, and a fully fenced backyard.
Enjoy my company, my company. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my little heart to give, baby, I wanna give you the world. Not saying you gotta chase me, but I wouldn't mind it if you give me just a little bit of something we can work it with, but all you do is push me out.
How adorable is this backyard? I'm Shauna Bonterre with Royal LePage, your Scott McGillivray trusted agent. Thanks for watching the tour, and be sure to follow me on all of my socials.